Hey, this is JC and welcome to Small Brick City. In this video, I'll show you how to build the motorcycle lift that I designed for my motorcycle and bike shop. This is the motorcycle lift that is found in the repair workshop and replicates a real-life lift that mechanics use when repairing bikes. Incidentally, if you liked my motorcycle and bike shop mock, do check it out on LEGO Ideas. You can vote for this to become an official LEGO set. All you have to do is follow the link in the card above or follow the link in the description. Every vote counts, so be sure to vote immediately after this video. Let's have a closer look at my motorcycle lift first. As with all my small builds, I designed this motorcycle lift to be as realistic as possible and minifig scale. I chose a blue, black, and grey color scheme as it matches a lot of the lifts that I've seen in images as well as in real life. You can see the hydraulics over here, the pneumatic arms over here, and overall it really looks like a real lift. There is a clip tower over here, and that's to hold the bike or whatever you're repairing in place so that it's not loose. So these are the parts you need to build my motorcycle lift. 2 arms mechanical from Battle Droids. This can be found under the Bricklink catalog section, minifigs body parts. 6 round studs stacked in sets of 3. A 2x2 towel, a 1x2 towel, a 2x4 plate, 2 1x4 plates with cheese wedges on either end, 2 1x2 plates, 2 1x2 modified plates with bar elements open-ended, a 1x2 jumper plate, a 1x1 plate, a 1x1 modified towel with clip on top, a 4x6 plate, and a motorcycle part or whatever you want to repair. It can be a bicycle or even a wheelbarrow if you like. To build, take the 2x4 plate and place a 1x4 plate on either end. The towel pieces go on the 2x4 plate closer to the end with the 1x4 plate with the 1x1 towels on it, just like this. A 1x2 plate goes on the remaining studs so that it's flushed with the cheese wedge piece. A 1x2 modified plate with bar goes on like this, and you can put the 2 sets of round studs on, just like that. The 2 hydraulic arms, on this case the mechanical Battle Droid arms, go on like this. And you want to put a 1x2 plate on the other modified plate, and you want this also standing by. In fact, place this on just like that. This goes on. In fact, this goes on, I believe, this way. Clip it onto the arms of the Battle Droid, so you end up with this. And you now want to place the entire plate over the plates, just like that. This is at a slight angle, so you need to make sure you get your angle right to really press the plate up so that it's stable and you get this configuration. Move the arms a bit if you need, just to get that straight and flush. Take the 1x1 plate and place it underneath the clip towel, and you can place that on right there. You can take the motorcycle or whatever you're building, as long as it's got a bar element or rod part, you can place it on just like that. Now if it's not really centered, that means you need to move it, and I'll have to move it by 1 stud, and that works pretty well, and now a mechanic can work on this motorcycle. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on this motorcycle lift. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. If there are any other suggestions you'd like me to build, please let me know in the comments as well. And do remember to vote for my motorcycle and bike shop on LEGO Ideas. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.